Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka election siya kaying dorbar thawain Lok Sabha kala jan. Bat kumbalong minta kadai satang deki benai ha kabaki sengsan partai kala sedang ban penkre ban Pynïeng Kyrtong nakabenta kani ke election. Habaya keren bat way ni kinong elam ke BJP uba dairu menteri ke sarkar jela uba AL hek halor ka jing penkre nakabenta ki election Lok Sabha ula ong kum ka seng ka basensyar ya kari badru ka seng ka basensyar hakiba bon ki jela jing Pynïeng Kyrtong hagani ke election bala dep haga jilla Meghalaya ha ka bakala Pynïeng ha Baroh ki constituency jong ka jilla kan Pynïeng Kyrtong ru na Baroh Artylli ki constituency Ngin Pynïeng Kyrtong na Shillong parliamentary constituency badru natura la bendrap uba aheng
party as a ruling party in the country, and also they are ruling in many states, the BJP today. And the recent concluded assembly elections of the state of Meghalaya, BJP had set up 60 candidates in all the 60 seats, more than any other political party in the state of Meghalaya. So BJP, being the national party, is going to set up for the parliament elections, both for the one Shillong parliamentary constituency and the two Tura parliamentary constituency. The BJP is going to set up the candidate.
So, has
Till now, the party has not decided on any candidates.
Will you be asking the coalition partner to support your candidate?
I don't think, yeah, of course, as a duty of all the political party, including the BJP, any like-minded people, if they agree to support the BJP, we are welcome.
Because the common target is to win.
See, anybody contesting, whether in the state elections or a parliament election, everybody wants to win the elections.
Once you are divided, you may not achieve that target.
So divided in which sense that you're saying that?
MBA partners, everybody puts up candidate.
I think everybody will put up candidate. I saw that NPP also they said that they will put up candidate. I saw the UDP also they said they will put up the candidate because they have been putting all through all the elections the candidate. Even the last concluded state election also, all the party they had set up their own candidate to fight each other on the MBA partners. Whatever. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he is 100% sure going again to rule or to form the government at the center. The only appeal to all the people, why waste their votes? Anybody candidate who is going to be contesting from the BJP, who is going to be a ruling at the center, they should vote for the national party and also the strong national party. That is the BJP at present.